Hey champs! Wondering how you can remove a team member from your Social Champs account? Well, look no further. This video will help you learn how you can remove a member. So let's begin. After logging into your Social Champ account, you will land on the content dashboard by default. Navigate your cursor to the left panel to find it and click the team option. Here, you can see a list of all the team members added to your account. To delete a team member, find and click the bin icon in the same row as their name. A pop-up window will appear listing the consequences of removing a team member. They're as follows. The team member will lose access to all profiles and posts of this workspace. All published and scheduled posts by the team member would be transferred to the owner of the workspace. All posts in the approved queue be deleted, and all notifications for the team member would be removed from the workspace. If you're satisfied with the outcomes, click Confirm, and you're done. Great work! Now you know how to remove team members. Visit our channel to find more tutorials related to team management and a bunch of other features.